Hey guys, welcome back. The video for today is going to be our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. The pamphlet says Celebrate Yourself March 2020. And this is the bag that we got in our regular $12 a month Ipsy bags. Ipsy bag. This is the bag for this one. It's got the little button, like a little clutch. And then it says Unstoppable. And then inside it just says Ipsy and their little square logo. I like this one better than I like the little bag, to tell you the truth. Which they're not that much off in size. You can see. But I really like this one. I think it's super cute. It does have its Ipsy down here at the bottom. But I think this will be super cute for like a little clutch on a night out, little spring outing. I think it'd be super cute. So I really like that. We're going to go ahead and get into the box, and we're going to see what we got. Alright, the first thing is Organic Feelings Los Angeles Coconut, the coffee scrub. And that's what that looks like. Sexy skin is just a scrub away. I'm filled with antioxidants, minerals, and essential oils, which help neutralize the effects of aging, drying, and dead skin. Each of my ingredients work together to moisturize, exfoliate, and protect you from residual dirt and damage. By harnessing the power of organic oils and vitamins like grapeseed oil, almond oil, vitamin E, and Arabica beans, your skin will appear radiant, feel silkier, and smell wonderful. 1 to 2 scrubs a week is recommended. 2 handfuls should cover your body. Okay. So, let's see what it says about it on our card. It says, turns out coffee isn't just for your morning ring. Zing. Y'all know I'm illiterate. I'm telling y'all. I can't read straight. I got dyslexia, but even when I'm not doing that. It's also packed with antioxidants, which are great for repairing and protecting your skin, too. This coffee-infused scrub buffs and moisturize with grapeseed oil, almond oil, and vitamin E so your skin will feel smooth, not stripped. Tip: dampen your skin in the shower, then work the scrub over the body in circular motions, paying extra attention to rough areas like knees and elbows. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse away. And the MSRP on that is $21.99. I think in my Ipsy Glam Bag video I forgot to say the prices on some things, and I'm really sorry. If you were wondering, just leave me a comment on this video or that video, and I will definitely get back to you and let you know how much they were. Alright, the next thing we have is from the Balm Cosmetics, and it's the Autobalm Girl Power Cheeks on the Go. And this is so super cute. It looks like something my grandmother would have had. Oh, I'm not going to be able to open this with nails. Peyton, can you open this? Mommy's got nails. Hey, guys. Say hey. It's okay.
Boy.
No, hand it here.
I'm getting so I can play.
We ain't got time. Now I gotta stop the video.
Stop it real fast.
Don't do it with a knife. Come here. Alright. I won't cut out the part of you saying, hey guys, I'll leave that in, okay?
Can I help?
No, not with this one. Let me finish this one and then I'll stop. Peyton, I just filmed for the first time this month, baby. Let me film.
And you picky promise you, boy.
I will, but not right now. Not today. Okay. These are some super cute colors. It says objects may be more beautiful than they appear on the mirror. Isn't that cute? But this is what they look like. We've got a peachy, a mauve, a neutral, and then we've got a super shimmery. It says, start with your favorite matte blush, create your own custom color, and then apply this highlight topper to make your blush glow. So we have Houston. Ooh, they're quite powdery. And then we have Bourbon. And then we have Bleecker. And then we have Fifth. Now let me see if I can get these to where y'all can see them. Alright. We started on this side. This is the peachy, the mauvey, the more browny, like almost like a bronzer would be, and then the shimmery topper. So those are super cute. I've lost my wipe somewhere. Yay. But anyways, those are super cute. It says, what's better than one gorgeous powder blush? A palette with 4. Mix and match the peachy pink, peachy brown with deep rose matte shades for a soft glow. And amp things up with the new rose gold shade. It doubles as a shimmery blush, highlighter, or even as an eyeshadow too. Once you've used up all the blushes, pop out the insert and save the cute tin. Use it to keep little accessories like hair ties and bobby pins in. Neat and organized. That'd be super cute. Give to your like daughter or your niece. My niece would love this so much. It's super cute. Okay, and the MSRP on that is $26.50. And my stupid white was right there under the paper. Okay, next thing is, we got that one. Okay, it's got to be this. Malin Goatees Revitalizing Eye Gel. Your delicate eye area is the first to show signs of aging, so give it the love that it's multitasking with this multitasking eye gel. The lightweight texture soaks into skin without leaving behind any annoying residue and helps soften lines. Depuff bags, soothe irritation, and brighten up dark circles. Stash this gel in the fridge. The extra chill works wonders when it comes to smoothing and depuffing. Okay, so this is the box. It's just a white box with some blue, whole lot of writing on it that is way too little for me to be able to read. So this is the component, and it's a pump. I like that. You knew that was coming, right? Okay. It doesn't really have a smell. It's very moisturizing. And it's silky smooth. I love it. Yes. I'm definitely going to be putting this into my skincare routine. We'll switch that out for something. Trade places for a little while. Okay, the MSRP on that was $42. It's not too bad, I guess. Alright, we got the $1 Billion Brows. 60 seconds to beautiful brows. It says, get light to dark brows, brown brows. Give them a quickie makeover with this easy to use kit. This taupe matte powder allows you to play with your brow shape, adding depth to sparse brow hairs. And the dual-sided brow brush is ideal for building and blending out color. Always concentrate the brow powder on the outer half of the brow near the arch and tail. Feeling too close to the inner corners can look heavy and unnatural. So, this is what the box looks like. Let's see what we got in here. Alright, we got a dual-sided brush. It's got a spoolie and the little pin on each side. So that's nice. It comes with its own little brush. Don't know if I'll ever use it, but it's nice that it has one. And then you have this component see if we can open it. And this is the brow powder. It's a nice, it's a taupey brown. I don't know if I can get that to work for my eyebrows. Let's watch it and see what it looks like. Yeah, that's not gonna work for my eyebrows. I put that in a horrible spot. I can't let you guys see it. That's not gonna work for my brows. But I can put this in a upcoming giveaway, or I can give it to one of my girlfriends. So that's fine. That's fine. You're not gonna like everything in every single box. Alright, the next thing is Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil. I love me a lip oil. Let's see. This is what it looks like. The box. My nails are being impossible, so we're just gonna rip the box.
Let me hold it.
I got it, baby. Thank you.
Ooh.
Ooh.
I'm gonna stay right here, and if you have trouble or something, I'll know.
Okay, thank you. It's a bright pink color. It says, let your lips live their best life with this tinted oil. It's packed with 8 different superfoods to supply your lips with the antioxidants, nourishment, and moisture they need to feel soft and healthier. And the sheer pink tint, it's gorgeous and universally flattering. And the MSRP on this is $24. So, very watery. Definitely an oil, but not thick at all. It's very, very light. Try it. What do you think it smells like?
I can't smell.
You can't smell it. I don't know what it smells like either. But I like the way it
I'm
smells.
pretty sure it smells like peach.
Like maybe like roses, you
Or
think?
peach.
Okay, the next thing we have, and this is the last one, is the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Concealer with
Can we
treatment
get this box?
benefits. It says, skincare meets makeup with this medium coverage concealer. Active ingredients like moisturizing proline and antibacterial propolis extract help treat imperfections, while triple pigment technology instantly diffuses the look of dark circles, redness, and breakouts. Tip: dot on this concealer at first sign of a pimple. The propolis extracts kill acne-causing bacteria to help heal zits even faster. Wow. So not only do you get concealer, you get something that's going to help your zits go away. So that sounds absolutely awesome. The MSRP on that is $36. So,
I don't know what that means.
sorry, Mama. This was our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for March 2020. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you will stick around and subscribe and turn on that notification bell. And if you want to, follow me on Instagram. And, yeah, that's about it. So, be kind, make good choices, and have a great day. Bye.